Hello collectors, it's another day of Black Bolt Japanese and a mystery pack, which I'm going to open up first. Savor that Black Bolt, and I started a binder. I moved some cards over to other binders. Got some super glue. Super glue didn't work. Had to go with something else. So we got the Basic Energy, All Cream, Pansear Reverse, Katie, Payapa Berry, The Chunk, Corvus Choir, Toxtricity, Metagross, Bronzer, Ekans, Minior, Mimikyu, Palmy, Totodile, Houndour, Surskit, Scatterbug, and Scoop Up Cyclone from Twilight Masquerade. Ooh, that's a nice card. Okay, so we got those, and here's the nice little sticker. We got so many stickers. Gotta start putting them on binders. I do not like rip tabs. They never succeed for me. 2 from the back. Now I looked into this set. Apparently there's Master Balls too. So let's hope we get a Master Ball here. Oh, another Pokeball. And a regular holo. Okay. No Master Ball yet. Keyword yet. Sooner or later, it will come. I'm just leaving these cards right away, guys. And right now, all the Black Bolts sitting on the binder. Black Bolt Japanese binder. Because there's no way I'm going to fit it in the Black Bolt binder. Not a chance. Too many cards. Axew. Another Pokeball. Well, I already got him. Another holo. Oh. Last two clear sleeves. Actually, no, I got another pack. That's right, I found another pack. Last 2 of the oversized ones. Thank goodness. I don't like having to fold the ends to fit into the binder. But, okay. Give me a sec, I gotta move some stuff out of the way. Made a bit of a mess trying to set up this binder. It used to be the old Snow Horizon binder that I cleared out because we did not need it in the binder no more. So number 8 goes there. Oh, let's fit this right if we can. Best I can do, guys. So we're on to fire. Okay, number 13, 12, 13 goes right there. Now the water types. Okay. So 21, 22. Oh yeah. 22, 23. Pokeball goes. Oh, sorry. I'm burping up a storm here. Come on, come on, come on. 23 goes there. Yeah, we already have him. First double. Or second double of the Black Bolt. Not bad. 29, 30. When I say this is a big set, I truly mean it's huge. Like, you got mostly non-hollows and reverse hollows. And then you got Pokeball, here, non-hollows and hollows. And then you got Master Balls, Pokeballs. It's a big set. 38, 39, 40, 41. No, I missed something. Oh, one of them must have had a 38, 39, 40. Yeah. I'll figure it out. I'll fix this up later. Okay. Well, we already have. So we got 2 doubles. We already have 3. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Why is it not adding up? 71, 72. Yeah, I'll re-go through this. And I spent a good hour on trying to make sure that this was all done correctly. And for some odd reason now, it's not adding up. And then 85 goes right there. Yeah, the trainer cards, there's only non-hollow and then Pokeball hollow. And you got all the heavy hitters that will come out. So, I got a little fixing to do in the binder. I don't know how I messed it up. And I was going through the tablet while putting them in there. Still messed it up somehow. I don't know how. Oh, today. Yeah. Oh well, I'll fix it. I'll get it right. We'll get this set looking nice. So, thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys keep coming back. So from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun and please enjoy yourselves. Bye guys.